As we navigate 2025, economic forecaster Ray Dalio warns of an impending storm that could lead to significant financial losses for the majority. This video delves into the key forces shaping our current economic landscape and explores the potential repercussions of these changes. The current economic landscape is complex and multifaceted. It is shaped by numerous forces that interact in unpredictable ways. Understanding these forces is crucial for navigating the challenges ahead. The interplay between debt, political strife, and global competition creates a volatile environment. As we are at the beginning of 2025, it is essential to grasp how these factors will influence our economies. Before we dive in, if you've ever considered investing, the first link in the description will lead you to Interactive Brokers, the platform I personally use and highly recommend for its robust features and competitive pricing. Understanding the 5 forces. To comprehend the emerging economic situation, we must examine 5 key forces. First, there is the unprecedented level of debt accumulated worldwide. This debt, when coupled with stagnant incomes, creates a significant burden for economies. Second, political polarization is intensifying, disrupting traditional governance structures. This instability can lead to unpredictable policy changes, affecting markets and investments. Third, the rise of competing global powers, particularly China, reshapes the geopolitical landscape. As these nations vie for dominance, tensions escalate, impacting trade and economic relations. Fourth, external shocks such as natural disasters and pandemics can destabilize economies. These events not only disrupt supply chains but also strain public resources. Finally, rapid technological advancements present both opportunities and challenges. While they can drive productivity, they also raise concerns about job displacement and inequality. The Great Cycle of Economic Power. The cycle of economic power has historically followed a predictable pattern. After major conflicts, a dominant power emerges, establishing a new world order. This power enjoys a period of prosperity, during which wealth accumulates. However, as prosperity grows, so does inequality. This imbalance often leads to social unrest and internal conflict. Eventually, the dominant power faces competition from rising entities. As these rivals gain strength, the established power begins to decline. This cycle repeats itself throughout history, with each transition marked by significant upheaval. Understanding this cycle helps illuminate the current dynamics at play in the global economy. The role of global conflicts. Global conflicts play a pivotal role in shaping economic outcomes. They can disrupt trade, destabilize markets, and lead to substantial economic losses. The competition between major powers, particularly between the United States and China, is a prime example. This rivalry influences not only economic policies, but also military strategies. As nations invest heavily in military capabilities, resources are diverted from essential services. This can exacerbate domestic issues such as healthcare and education. Additionally, conflicts can lead to sanctions and trade barriers, further complicating international economic relations. The ramifications of these conflicts extend far beyond national borders, affecting global supply chains and financial systems. The importance of neutral countries. Neutral countries often find themselves in advantageous positions during global conflicts. They can act as mediators and protectors of trade routes. Their stability attracts investment and fosters economic growth. Countries like Switzerland have historically thrived by maintaining neutrality and promoting diplomacy. In the current climate, nations that remain neutral may benefit from the turmoil faced by competing powers. They can leverage their status to attract businesses seeking stability. As geopolitical tensions rise, the importance of these neutral entities becomes increasingly apparent. They provide a buffer against the chaos of global conflicts, allowing for continued economic activity and growth. The impact of time distortion. We face a phenomenon known as time distortion. This concept refers to the perception that time feels compressed, accelerating our experiences and responses to economic changes. The rapid shifts in technology, politics, and societal norms create a sense of urgency. It is as if we are racing against an invisible clock. This distortion affects how we interpret events and trends. We may overlook significant changes because they happen so quickly. The pressure to adapt becomes immense. Businesses and individuals alike must navigate this accelerated pace. those who fail to adjust risk being left behind. Moreover, time distortion influences decision-making processes. Leaders must rely on quick judgments in uncertain environments. This can lead to impulsive choices that may not be well considered. In an era where information is abundant yet overwhelming, discerning the signal from the noise is vital. Addressing the wealth gap. The wealth gap remains a pressing issue as we move forward. It is a growing divide between the rich and the poor. This disparity creates social tensions and economic instability. Addressing this gap requires innovative solutions and a commitment to systemic change. We must consider how wealth is distributed across society. Current systems often favor those already in power. The rich accumulate more, while the poor struggle to make ends meet. This imbalance leads to frustration and unrest. Promoting equal opportunities is essential for bridging this divide. Education, healthcare, and access to resources play critical roles. By investing in these areas, we can empower individuals to improve their circumstances. This not only benefits individuals but also strengthens society as a whole. For those seeking to take control of their financial future, platforms like interactive brokers can provide access to a wide range of investment opportunities, allowing individuals to participate in the market and potentially build wealth over time. Click the first link in the description to learn more. Current economic challenges ahead. As we look to the future, several economic challenges loom large. Rising debt levels threaten stability across nations. Governments struggle to balance budgets while addressing pressing needs. The pressure mounts as interest rates rise, further complicating fiscal policies. Additionally, external conflicts create uncertainty. Geopolitical tensions influence markets and investment decisions. The competition between major powers, particularly the United States and China, shapes global dynamics. This rivalry can lead to economic repercussions that affect everyone. Moreover, climate change poses significant challenges. The costs associated with adaptation and mitigation are substantial. Without addressing these issues, we risk further exacerbating economic disparities. Sustainable solutions require collaboration across borders and sectors. Technological advancements, a double-edged sword. Technological advancements present both opportunities and risks. On one hand, innovation drives productivity and growth. New technologies can transform industries and improve quality of life. However, they also raise concerns about job displacement and inequality. The rapid pace of change can leave many behind. Workers in traditional sectors may find themselves at a disadvantage. As automation and artificial intelligence become more prevalent, reskilling is essential. We must ensure that individuals have the tools to thrive in a changing landscape. Furthermore, technology can exacerbate existing inequalities. Those with access to resources can leverage advancements to their advantage. Conversely, marginalized groups may struggle to keep up. Addressing these disparities is crucial for fostering an inclusive economy. Final thoughts and future outlook. The future presents both unprecedented opportunities and significant challenges. Technological advancements reshape our world, while climate change and geopolitical tensions pose serious threats. Economic inequality exacerbates societal divides. To thrive, we must embrace change, adapt to new realities, and foster a culture of lifelong learning. Addressing these challenges requires a multifaceted approach, including promoting social equity, prioritizing education, healthcare, and equitable access to resources is crucial, fostering collaboration. Collaboration across sectors and a commitment to systemic reform are essential. Embracing sustainability. Sustainable practices are vital for the long-term well-being of our planet. By embracing change, fostering innovation, and working together, we can navigate these challenges and create a brighter future for all. If you're concerned about your financial security and are thinking about investing, check out the first link in the description. It's the platform I use, Interactive Brokers. Click the link to learn more.